All right, so I was just texting with a friend of mine about GameStop and the situation as a whole, and our wild ride and holding the stock, the range of emotions we felt, and just how the whole situation has just been so bizarre. Lots of volatility, lots of ups and downs and thought processes, right? And reading of due diligence. And all in all, we realized it kind of really taught us something. This is how you invest. You need to find a company, find something you believe in, and when you believe in it, you can hold it, right? We both were talking about as well how we kind of had paper hands before this whole situation, right? We really found the meaning of what diamond hands means, right? And it's not only for GameStops. You want a diamond hands positions you believe in, right? I'm not offering you financial advice. I'm just giving you my thoughts and opinions, right? That's what I personally do. I've realized now after GameStop and other positions I've taken, and I'm beginning to post on this channel and I want to expand, I'm not a GameStop only investor. I absolutely believe in the mother of all short squeezes, and I really believe that that will help me get started with a way bigger portfolio. And that's kind of my ultimate plan with all this and why I record YouTube videos and talk about stocks, and especially GameStop because I believe in GameStop the most right now. A lot of my capital is allocated there, most of it for sure. And it's because I believe in it the most, and I'm young, I can take that chance. I'm personally comfortable with what I have in. It's absolutely something I can afford to lose. I will be able to financially recover. It's not like I'll be in debt forever if GameStop doesn't go to the moon, but I really think we're going to the moon. Again, just my personal thoughts and opinions, but especially if you've been in this a long time, I say, look at the situation as a whole. Look at how you've adapted as an investor. Take these lessons going forwards, whether you want to invest in different stocks or in the future, or whether you want to or not, but if you choose to continue investing and you're a GameStop shareholder right now, like some people I know or I've heard of, just own GameStop. They don't have shares in other companies, right? They want to be in it, that's their personal decision, right? I personally don't agree with it. I personally think you should own other stocks, but right now, of course, I'm very concentrated in GameStop, so I'm kind of like going against myself here in a way, right? But again, I'm very young. I have a lot in that I can afford to lose, and it's because I was very fortunate with an option early on in things, and that's allowed me to put a lot of capital and really hold on in GameStop and get a lot of my shares over in ComputerShare. But my point of this whole video is, if you're in GameStop this entire time, take it as lessons, right? There's a lot of lessons from all this. We can become, as individuals, of course, I'm not saying we're collective groups of any kind, better investors. That's the whole game of investing, right? You want to become a better investor. You want to earn the best returns possible. You want to do the best due diligence. You want to believe in a company. When you believe in a company or something they're doing, or the person running it, probably all of those things combined, right? Makes it a lot easier to hold your stocks, right? And then when there's downturns or some kind of uncertainty in terms of the markets as a whole, you're like, hey, in 5 years or in a few years, that company's going to be doing way more. I believe in that guy. I believe in that product. I believe in the business model. And when you have that mentality to investing, or I'm personally finding right now that when I'm having that mentality now, when I'm looking at other stocks I'm investing in, I feel so good. Even as they're going down right now, I'm like, a lot of them are growth companies. I'm like, this is great. I can just keep adding to them, and just keep a long-term mindset, keep an eye on what they're doing. When something comes out and it's negative, okay, then maybe I need to sell. Then it's a totally different situation. But when you're talking about in a company that you believe in, and then it's just negative market attention, but they're actually dropping some good news about things that they're developing and that's going to keep coming forward with their business, why would you sell? It just doesn't make sense. If you believe in the company, you stick with it. And if you do strong due diligence and strong research, it's a lot easier to be confident in yourself, right? Because you think, okay, I've presented myself with the facts. I put the facts together in this way, and this is my bull case. This is why I'm in this, right? Trading, I've learned, especially from GameStop, not trading, investing. I've learned from trying to trade, but just investing is all about patience, and a lot of it's about mindset and being able to handle the fact your money is in the stock market, right? And your money is fluctuating and all over the place, and it's not cash in your pocket. You can't, it's just, there's no perfect way to describe it, in my opinion, but it's just that feeling of overwhelmingness, right? Once you can conquer that, settle that down, okay, I have capital here, I have capital here, I have capital here. I believe in these positions, right? It's a lot easier to hold on and it doesn't become as stressful. So you conquer your mindset and you can continue to focus on things such as due diligence, research, and just analysis as a whole. That's all for today's video, but have a great night.